Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Custom Knife Factory FIF23. Now this along with the FIF20 were both sent in by my good friend Dirk Wernings, who actually has a channel as well. So as usual, I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. Go give him a sub in my name and tell him I sent you. But anyway, you can see this thing has a beautiful hand rub drop point blade, which is made from M390. Now both of them are running on bearings, the 20 and the 23, and both have drop shut action. I mean, it's probably the smoothest action I've felt on a knife in a really long time, and I am just so happy that he sent these bad boys over. But anyway, it is a liner lock design and comes with these somewhat bronze titanium liners, and it does have zirconium bolsters and backspacer, which gives this thing a really good look against the carbon fiber. Now all the hardware, including the pocket clip, are made from titanium, and they just did an overall great job on this. It's a nice combination with all the materials used, and honestly, I'm just a huge fan of Custom Knife Factory. Anyway, the overall length on this guy is 9.06 inches. The blade is 3.98. The width is 1.50 with a thickness of 0.14. Now, the handle length or closed length is 5.08 inches. The width is 1.25 with a thickness of 0.67. Excuse me. Let's see. Get your good weight on this bad boy. 6.545, which is honestly not a bad weight considering the size of this thing. I mean, look at this knife. That thing is an absolute beast. And honestly, it's only a 4-inch blade, but it just looks much bigger. I guess it's the 5 somewhat inch handle, but yeah, it's awesome. Anyway, compared to the, I had to flip it one more time if you hadn't noticed. Compared to the FIF20, you can see it's right around 1.5 inches, something like that, bigger than that. Compared to the Satori 2, yeah, close to 2 inches bigger than the Satori, and throw in a couple more common ones here. Compared to the PM2, you can see it's right around 1 inch bigger than the PM2, and throw in one more. Good old PM3. All right, yeah, almost. Shoot, 2.5 inches bigger than the PM3, so yeah, it's a big knife, but honestly, it carries really well, considering it's really, really big. But again, if you can get your hands on one of these, don't pass it up. These are such beautiful knives, and they are worth their weight in gold, all the way. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to go check out Dirk Wernings. All of the info's in the description. See you guys on the next one.